And thank you to everybody that have been supporting me, have been purchasing my shirts. Okay, thank you very much. Hi guys, appreciate it. Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about another senior citizen that have fallen victim to a house robbery and also getting killed in the process. So let's get straight into the video. It says a police probe is going on into the murder of an elderly Clarendon farmer who was found with his throat slashed on a roadway in his community near to his home in Lucky Valley district in the parish last week. The deceased man have been identified as 66-year-old Timothy Benjamin of Lucky Valley district. Police reports are that on Friday, May 31, about 5 p.m., a resident stumbled upon his body and alerted the police. Upon their arrival, Benjamin was seen lying in a pool of blood. A further examination revealed that his throat was slashed. The elderly farmer was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. Clarendon has been one of the parishes that have been recording high murder rates over recent years, and over the last 2 weeks close to 10 persons have been murdered there. Among the latest casualties on Wednesday, Nancy Samuels, a Cuban national of New Harbor Village, St. Catherine, who was a nurse who was stabbed to death reportedly by an ambulance driver at Hayes District in Clarendon, and the suspect in the case of her death was taken into custody by police. 2 days before, business operators Mark Miles, 59-year-old, and Debbie Hyman, 40, were attacked and shot to death at their business establishment at Yorktown in the parish. So last Friday, Sean Cunningham, a 26-year-old tailor of Effortville, Clarendon, was shot dead at the Maypen bus park. The police reported that Cunningham was at a cook shop in the park when 2 gunmen attacked him and fired several shots. A woman was standing close by was also shot and injured in the incident. Only 2 hours after Benjamin's body was discovered with the throat slash, the body of another senior citizen, 72-year-old Doreen Colosso, was found with her throat also slashed at her house in Buckfield, Ochorea, St. Anne. The police have reported that about 7:30 p.m., a relative found Colosso laying in a pool of blood and alerted authorities. Upon their arrival, the body was seen with a wound to the neck. She was taken to the hospital where her death was confirmed. The police, who are yet to establish a motive for that killing, are continuing their investigation. And 99% sure it's probably going to be a robbery or just some pervert trying to have sex with an elderly woman. Because them claims of them tight and all these things. You know how they're perverts, whether the person old or young, and they're in our community, and that's something that we need to be very aware of. They are targeting the most vulnerable people in our community, and that are women, children, and elderly. And that is so sad. That is very, very sad that people that are older and wiser and supposed to be in our communities and be teachers and teach the kids that are growing up the way are losing their life, and losing their life very senselessly. And I'm sure with the coming months, especially with summer coming up and people want things and want to go show off a party and all these things, these are definitely going to increase, mark my words. And we still don't have a crime plan. It's been 2 years and we still haven't had a crime plan as to how we're actually going to figure out how to decrease these murders. And our Prime Minister did a speech recently about police linking with Dons, and that's going to be another one of my videos, so look forward to that. But this is the issue. We have given a lot of suggestion on how to curb crime, whether it's to get CCTVs in all businesses and also on these stoplights, these roadway. We need more lights on the roadways. Also that the UK has that monitor videos of what's going on with the CCTVs. Like, we have given so many suggestions on how to curb crime. It's very sad to see that none of these suggestions are being implemented, because crime is a big business, and it's a very big business in Jamaica, and the people that are profiting do not want to curb crime, and that is the honest truth. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. And condolence goes out to everybody in Clarendon that lost a sibling and a loved one this week. Over 10 persons have died in Clarendon alone, and that is murdered in the past 10 days. That's sad. That's very sad for one little parish. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.